what about people who may claim that you are trying to satisfy Krishna, but I remain dissatisfied in spite of you trying to please Krishna? Like you devotees. Non-devotees may claim that devotees are trying to please Krishna, and because of that, maybe other devotees are pleased. What about non-devotees? We are not satisfied if you please Krishna. So Prabhupada explains, just like if there is a branch of a tree, as long as that branch of the tree is connected to the tree, it will receive all nourishment that is given to the tree. But if the branch is disconnected from the tree, then it's a dead branch. It cannot be nourished. A dead branch means one which is separated from the tree cannot be nourished by any means. Similarly, those who are disconnected from Krishna, actually nobody can be disconnected from Krishna. But if they choose to disconnect by, how do they disconnect? Simply they become forgetful. They think independent. I am separate. I am independent. I have no connection. So, thinking like that, it's a misconception, because in reality, always, eternally, everyone is connected to Krishna. Eternally. But somebody may forget, or somebody may think independent, and in that state of forgetfulness or illusion, there will be suffering. There will be scarcity. There will be feeling of some want. But that is only because of the forgetfulness. As soon as one revives one's connection with Krishna, immediately all supply is there. Immediately all supply is there. Everything is there. It's only in illusion that one thinks I am alone, or I don't have something, or I have some scarcity. That feeling or that idea, it's a misconception. Just like Prabhupada always gives the example, in the African jungle, the Supreme Lord is providing food for so many millions, billions, trillions of different varieties of living beings. They're all getting their food. What a wonderful arrangement. How they are getting it's inconceivable for human beings. It's inconceivable. But the Lord is providing. So if He can provide for so many millions and billions of living entities of all varieties, then He can't provide food for some human beings whose number is very, very, very insignificant. Only because of godlessness do people suffer. There is one great economist, Adam Smith. He is a God-conscious person. He has written books on economics. He's one of the earliest economists who's brilliant economist. He says that there is plenty of food for all human beings, provided people don't misuse grains for feeding some animals and try to eat animal flesh. See, this is his analysis. Wealth of nations. Why there is some scarcity of food? in some countries. It's only because grains are not directly consumed by human beings. Only one reason. They try to eat some animal flesh after feeding the grains to the animals. And it is very, very uneconomical. Like this, so many different analysis can be done, but ultimately Krishna provides as a Supreme Father. He provides for all his children, and he claims all living entities as his children. Sarva yonishu kaunte, in the Bhagavad Gita. So he provides, and there is plenty. There is plenty. It's not that there is any real scarcity. There is plenty. But if one is not connected with the Supreme, not connected with God, then one may experience some scarcity or shortage or some difficulty. Otherwise, there is plenty for everyone. So the point is that if one is connected properly with the Supreme, then all necessities are provided without any difficulty. And success in any activity, the highest perfection of success is to please the Supreme Lord, Krishna, by any activity, simply to please Him. So, His satisfaction, because He is the complete whole, is the basis of success. So, this is a very important secret, especially for devotees, that without pleasing the Supreme Lord, and to please the Supreme Lord, we have got a easier approach, because the Lord is so great, one cannot easily approach the Lord. So we approach Krishna through his devotee. Yasya prasadat Bhagavad prasado. By pleasing the spiritual master, we are able to please Krishna. And pleasing the spiritual master is very easy for especially those who are surrendered to the spiritual master, those who are engaged in serving the spiritual master. It's very easy through pleasing the spiritual master. So that is the shortcut for the devotees, as opposed to non-devotees. If at all they want to please the Supreme, it's very difficult for them to even approach the Supreme. That's why you see so many people engaged in searching the Supreme or seeking the truth, seekers of truth. They're searching. Whereas in our case, there is no question of seeking or searching. Krishna is the supreme absolute truth. And Prabhupada, through Prabhupada, we very easily approach Krishna.